15 DIY ways to glow up like Jenna Ortega. 1. Oil cleansing. Use coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Massage onto dry skin to remove makeup, dirt, and sunscreen. Wipe off with a warm cloth. 2. Honey face washing. Use raw honey on damp skin as a natural cleanser. Gently massage and rinse with lukewarm water. 3. Exfoliating scrub, 2x a week. Mix sugar or ground oats with honey. Rub gently in circular motions, then rinse. 4. Facial steaming. Boil water and let your face hover over the steam for 5 to 10 minutes, cover with towel. Add herbs like chamomile or green tea if desired. 5. Clay face mask. Mix Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, or bentonite clay with rose water or plain water. Apply, let dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. 6. Turmeric glow mask. Mix turmeric, yogurt, and honey into a paste. Apply to face for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. 7. Ice cube treatment. Freeze green tea, rose water, or cucumber juice into cubes. Rub a cube over your face after masks. 8. Natural toner. Use rose water or cooled green tea as toner. Apply with a cotton pad or spray bottle after cleansing. 9. Aloe vera gel, serum. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to skin. Let it absorb fully before the next step. 10. DIY moisturizer. Whip together shea butter and a bit of almond or coconut oil. Apply a small amount to face and neck. 11. Spot treatment. Use diluted tea tree oil, mix with water or aloe, or dab raw honey on pimples. Apply with a cotton swab. 12. Eye puffing pads. Use chilled cucumber slices or soaked green tea bags. Place under eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. 13. Lip scrub. Mix sugar with honey or coconut oil. Scrub gently for 1 minute, then rinse. 14. Overnight hydrating mask, 1-2x a week. Mix aloe vera gel and honey. Apply a thin layer before bed and rinse in the morning. 15. Natural lip balm. Apply coconut oil, shea butter, or homemade beeswax balm to lips. Use throughout the day as needed.